I would love to know, what are you going to bring to this table?
Are you ready? Are you
I am
hungry?
hungry,
Have you come
yes.
with an appetite?
Always. So let's begin the Sunday brunch.
That's the Malabar prawn curry, which is a very interesting rice which we're using here, which is the Indrani rice, not the
Oh,
regular.
I love Indrani rice.
Yeah, which is not the regular basmati. That is a homemade achar and goes
Okay.
with it. It's mango, but it's just, I think, food without a little bit of achar or a little papad or whatever. I just feel it's just incomplete.
So dad's Punjabi and your mom's?
It's South Indian. She's
South
from Kerala.
Kerala,
Yes,
okay.
yes. So that is
That's
something
the South
which is
Indian, but this achar is a very Punjabi thing then.
actually, yeah. So what you have in Punjab side, in the north side, is a different sort of a mango pickle where you have the akha. This is a typical in Kerala, in the
Finely
south, where you
chopped.
have very small, and the preparation is also different. Then this is the wontons. This is the sea bass with some guac. These are really yum and very light. You don't have to feel guilty eating that. This is the paneer thecha, which is made in my home regularly. I love it. I love khichdi. I'm a person who can live on khichdi, so that's also there. The khichdi that's made in my house. It's a masala khichdi. We kind of give it a little smoky flavor, and I love doing a lovely ghee tadka on top, which is really yummy. In fact, there are days when I'm working late and I call up and I'm like, just make my khichdi for me. This khichdi and my paneer thecha. That's like my staple.
Comfort food.
My comfort food. Then that is the Madras beet maki roll, the sushi, which is really interesting because it has a Madras powder, hint of that, and you can see the curry patta. So there's a nice twist over there.
I would love for a Japanese to actually try that.
So that's like, so I feel we kind of give it a little bit of, chef has given a little bit of a twist over there. So it kind of gives a nice kick. This is a classic salad of burrata and fig, which you can't go wrong. I feel I can live on this salad. This is something which, I'm sorry, I can't talk without eating a fry.
Must.
And these are the banana fries, which is peri peri.
And
So
you usually count your calories before eating?
No, I'm not a calorie counting person. I can't do that. For me, I am more of a portion control person. And I like eating. Like on a daily basis, I rarely eat in a plate.
Okay.
I always eat in a bowl because a bowl always gives me more. I know exact how much I need to eat. So I always eat in that bowl because I know that's the amount of food I need to consume and no more than that. Some dietitian or somebody told me that, or read it somewhere, that you should always get up from the table slightly hungry. Don't get up saying, oh my God, I'm stuffed, I'm going to burst. At least that way you know that you didn't overeat.
This food looks too delicious to have a portion controlled meal today, but let's try. The chef has done a great job. I would love to try paneer thecha.
I love making Thai curry rice.
Good.
I love it. I make this at home.
What's the recipe of this, if you can tell me?
Okay, so this paneer thecha is made at my home all the time, and thecha is typical Maharashtrian thecha, and of course the levels of spice are entirely up to you. We like a little extra spicy, lots of coriander, which is kothmir, and we also take the stem, the stem of it. We dry roast the garlic, green chili, mota namak, singdana. That also you dry roast it, and we just have to crush it, but not like, don't do it in a mixie because maza nahi aata. So it's a little, rustic in its feel. Coat it, take the paneer, whichever paneer you like, the firm or whatever type of paneer that you like. You can use tofu, and just halka tawe pe, very little oil pe, and you seko it.
Oh, nice. Definitely going to try
It's
this at
but
home.
of course the mirchi, you have to put how much ever.
What is your spice tolerance like?
We eat very tikha.
Out of 10?
So earlier I would eat a 9.
Really?
Yeah, I would say 9. It really starts bothering me. So now I'm like a 6, I would say. 5, 6, I've gone this. But still, I feel when you're making thecha, then it should be
little spicy.
आप
pani puri khate ho?
I love.
Yeah.
Love.
सिर्फ तीखा या तीखा मीठा?
I like that halka sa jo tamarind ka jo chutney hai na, halka sa I like that tikha meetha. Earlier I would only do tikha, like literally, and I would be like, nahi meetha bilkul mat, but now I have tikha.